Okay guys, the baby is wake up now and he's going to look or unbox this box. The LovEvery Charmer Play Kit. And let's see her action. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna open, okay? Whoa. Wow. Designed by experts for you, baby. Developing brain. And this is the play kits for 3 months old to 4. The Charmer. Look at the baby. You see the baby? So cute. Just looking at the baby. Oh, you like the baby? Oh, what do you see? Wow. You got playmates? Okay, let's take a look deeper inside the box. He's so serious. Okay. Baby, what do you see? Whoa. This is the frame of the mirror. It's a big... What? A mirror. Ooh, who is that cutie pie? Who is that cutie pie? Hi. Look at that cutie pie. It's so pogi. It's so handsome naman niya. Oh. Whoa. Look at that big mirror. You can see yourself so much, eh? You can see mommy. You can see mommy. Wow. Nana, may panalo na. He likes the mirror. He can can do this in the mirror. Oh, look at the feet in the mirror. You see the mirror? You like it? Here's the mirror. Whoa. So nice. I see a baby. Who is that cutie pie baby? Wow. He's so cute. He's smiling at the baby. Who is that baby? The baby is you. You like the baby? Hi. My name is Paeng. Hi. Okay. Masyado tayo natuwa sa mirror, baby. Okay. What's next? We see wow, this book is so nice. This is Mommy's favorite. Ooh. Whoa. Look at the mirror. Look at this, baby. You see You see a chicken. There's a chicken. There's a chicken. Whoa. You got a new book. Wow. Nice. And what else do we have here? We have another book. This is Life Around Me book. Look, there's another baby. There's so many babies, huh? Oh, this one you might like. Oh, do you hear it? You hear it? What is that, Mommy? You want to touch it? You want to touch it, baby? You want to touch it? Hold it, hold it. Get it, get it. Get it, get it. Here. Go get it. Go get it. Get. Put it in your hand. Wow, you got a rattle. Nice rattle. We got the rattle. Yay! We got the rattle. We got the rattle. So what else do we have here, baby? So what I see is... Wow! Wow, what is this? Okay, bye-bye, rattle. What is this? Want to touch it? You want to touch it? Oh, no. How about this? Wow. Like it? Want to touch it? Go get it. Go get it. It's too early. Can't appreciate yet. How about this? No? How about this? A rubber teeter. Want to touch it? Nah. Wala pa po siyang nagugustuhan. How about this? Wanna try it? Oh, sige. Babato. What else do we got? What else do we got here, Mom? I'm so bored. What do we got here? That's me. Yes, that's you, baby. Ooh. How about... How about this? Oh, look at this. Oh, a book. You can see yourself. That's you. That's you, my love. Oh my! It's look. See that? Oh, there's so much in here. But later. How about this? Ay, nanto. Touch it. You might like it. Touch it. Oh no. What's in your hand? Oh, there's another one. This is for your hair. So that's it for today. That's the charmer kit, and baby's gonna play on my lap. Asher. Oh, undress. Look. Oh, look at that. This is a snail. It's a snail. Whoa. What do you see? Oh, this is a nice one, eh? It's a new thingy. Look at that. So much going on, hey? How about this? Oh, what's this? It's a dog. Oh, look at that dog. Adorable. And that one. How about this? A cat. I got a cat. You see a cat? It's a cat. And a fish. Look at those fishes. Nice. So let's see, baby, what can we talk about today? because mommy's running out of words. You like this? Put it over here. Oh no, what is that? Oh, I got this one. Is a good one. Okay. This is, I'm gonna use it. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? What? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? What? Oh, there's a baby. There's a baby. Oh, where's the baby? Where's the baby? What? Look lang. That's our game. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Ooh. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? What? Where's the baby? Where's the... Oh, iyak na siya. Ayaw na. Gagalit na. Gagalit na. Ayaw na niya. Wala ka nagustuhan sa mga toys, baby. Wawa naman tayo. Maybe it's too early. It's too early. I wanna sleep. It's not early. It's 1:30 in the... It's 1:30 already in the afternoon. This one I like. Gonna play with that one. You can put that on this one. You put inside. You can put inside this one. Oh, or no, don't have to. I like this. See that? Or the rattle. Or the rattle. I know you like it. Or just antok. And that's it for today. The Charmer. Yeah. That's it, hey? Let's do the talking. Need a little time to think. You don't get away from me. Hi. Antok. Antok. Tulog ka na. Bye, guys. That's all for today's playtime. Or unboxing. See, you like that, eh? You like that? Well, now he got his favorite. And say bye. Bye. Bye.